No, wait.
This is on video. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
It's on video. It's on video. We're in the stairs and it's on video. Hi.
I'm taller than them.
Okay. We're gonna go up the stairs now. This is our last freshman Monday. No. Yeah, Monday. Hi guys. We're going up the stairs at school. Cause it's our last
Don't gross
Monday.
people up.
Our nasty stairs. But this is our school. Now we're going in the hallway. See people we don't know. Because we're awesome like that.
See that hair?
What?
This is where we stand.
This is where we stand. And we tan right there.
That's where I got all this sunburn at.
Summer. Now we're walking to class. Yeah. We have Dana coming up. And Lazan. We're walking to class. Hey guys, we're videotaping going to class. Yeah, hi Dana. Hi Lazan. We're going to class. We're going to class and we're videotaping it. This is where we.
Very sad.
Bye.
Bye guys. See ya.
Happy freshman Monday. Now we're going to class. And we have to go videotape touching our monument thing. It's called the math word. Hang on. Here it is. And we touch it. And we keep going to science. Going around the school some more. Worst class of the day. Dude, this is so awesome. More people we don't know. I'm just gonna keep it open.
Still on?
Yeah. We're just walking by.
Wait, John, I missed it.
And we got through. And we're going to science. We're gonna stand outside my classroom. My classroom's right there. Hello, classroom. And hers is all the way down there. And we're Darian. And I. Hello. We're gonna go fail our science classes.
I go to be mine now.
This might go on Facebook, so yeah.
Here come your buddies.
Here comes Rachel. Rachel, we're videotaping going to class. Yeah. You just gotta say hi. We're going. See, Rachel's going to class. We're going to class.
Can I have gum?
Wait. What do you want?
Nothing.
She wants gum. She wants gum. We're videotaping going to class. Say hi.
Hi. How are you today? I'm Erica. I'm Kristen.
We're going to class.
I don't know these people, but that's
I'm
fine.
Megan.
Hi.
Would you like some gum?
Sure.
Okay. Would you like
Darian
some
likes
gum?
The Office now.
Yeah, I do.
We like The Office.
I like her soccer.
Darian likes The Office.
Yeah.
Well, this is awkward.
And I'm back again. More people.
Not me.
Rachel, she's getting in.
Is that a new camera?
No.
I have my camera. All right.
Why are we doing this?
Because we're going to class. It's our last freshman Monday. So we're videotaping going to each class.
Are you gonna tape it tomorrow too?
Yeah, we might. We're taking finals.
I'm sure they'll be happy
I'm a
about
newbie
that.
here.
She's new.
I need to go pee.
You want to come?
Go to the bathroom. We got like 2 minutes, so.
Rachel's last Monday bathroom break. Come on,
Bye.
guys.
Bye. Bye. There they go. Going to class. Which we should be doing. But we're standing outside. But the doors are locked. Bye.